Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, as well as maintaining muscle mass and bone health. While animal-based protein sources like meat, eggs, and dairy products are commonly consumed, they are not the only sources of protein. High-protein plants, such as legumes, nuts, seeds, and certain vegetables, can also provide ample amounts of this nutrient. Incorporating high-protein plants into your diet can help you achieve a well-balanced and nutritious diet without relying solely on animal-based protein sources, which can be expensive and have negative environmental impacts. High-protein plants also offer a range of other health benefits, such as reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Furthermore, incorporating more plant-based protein into your diet can help you reduce your overall intake of saturated fat and cholesterol, as plant-based proteins are typically lower in these nutrients than animal-based sources. So, understanding the benefits of high-protein plants and their role in a well-balanced diet is crucial for anyone looking to improve their overall health and nutrition. By incorporating more high-protein plants into your diet, you can achieve optimal health and well-being while also supporting sustainable and ethical food practices. Now, let's talk about identifying the top high-protein plants to grow in your victory garden. When it comes to high-protein plants, there are many options to choose from, and it's important to know which ones will thrive in your garden and provide you with the most nutritional benefits. First on the list is quinoa, which is not only high in protein but also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Quinoa is easy to grow and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to stews. Another great option is soybeans, which are also a complete protein. Soybeans can be grown in a variety of climates and used in many dishes, including tofu, tempeh, and edamame. Lentils are also high in protein and can be grown in a variety of soils. They are a versatile ingredient that can be used in soups, salads, and stews. Other high-protein plants to consider growing in your victory garden include chickpeas, black beans, and peas. These plants are easy to grow and can be used in a variety of dishes, from hummus to chili. Remember, incorporating high-protein plants into your diet is a great way to ensure a well-balanced and nutritious diet without relying on expensive animal-based protein sources. So, choose the plants that will thrive in your garden and provide you with the most nutritional. Now let's talk about the best gardening techniques for growing high-protein plants. Growing high-protein plants is easy if you know the right techniques. First, it's important to ensure that the soil is rich in nutrients. High-protein plants require a lot of nitrogen, so ensure that your soil is nitrogen-rich. Another technique is to plant your high-protein plants in a spot with plenty of sunlight. Most high-protein plants require at least 6 hours of sunlight per day, so pick a spot that receives plenty of sunshine. It's also important to water your high-protein plants regularly. Make sure the soil stays moist but not too wet. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which can damage your plants. In addition, consider using natural fertilizers such as compost or manure. These fertilizers are rich in nutrients and can help your high-protein plants grow strong and healthy. You may also want to consider companion planting. Companion planting is the practice of planting different crops together to help them grow better. For example, planting beans next to corn can help the beans grow better because they can use the corn as a support structure. Finally, make sure to harvest your high-protein plants at the right time. Most high-protein plants are best harvested when they are young and tender. Overripe plants may not taste as good and may not have as much protein. By using these gardening techniques, you can ensure that your high-protein plants grow strong and healthy. This will help you enjoy a well-balanced and nutritious diet without relying on expensive animal-based protein. Now that we know the top high-protein plants to grow in our victory garden, it's important to understand how to incorporate them into our meals for optimal nutrition. One great way to do this is to replace animal-based protein sources with plant-based options. For example, instead of using ground beef in your spaghetti sauce, try adding cooked lentils or black beans for a protein boost. You can also add tofu or tempeh to stir-fries or salads for a delicious and filling meal. Another way to incorporate high-protein plants is to make them the star of your dish. For example, you can make a hearty quinoa salad with roasted chickpeas and fresh vegetables, or a lentil soup with plenty of greens and spices. It's important to remember that not all plant-based proteins are created equal. Some may lack certain amino acids that are essential for our bodies, so it's important to mix and match different protein sources to ensure a well-balanced diet. Incorporating high-protein plants into your meals doesn't have to be difficult or complicated. With a little creativity, you can make delicious and nutritious meals that will keep you satisfied. Are you tired of the same old meals and looking for some inspiration in the kitchen? Look no further than incorporating high-protein plants into your dishes. Not only are these plants packed with nutrients, but they can also be incredibly versatile in the kitchen. One great recipe to try is a quinoa and black bean salad. Cook up some quinoa and mix it with canned black beans, chop veggies like bell peppers and tomatoes, and a dressing made with lime juice and cilantro. This dish is not only delicious, but it's also a great source of protein and fiber. Another tasty option is a tofu stir-fry. Cut up some firm tofu and stir-fry it with veggies like broccoli, carrots, and mushrooms. Add in some soy sauce and ginger for flavor, and serve over rice or noodles. This dish is a great way to add some plant-based protein to your diet while still enjoying a filling and satisfying meal. If you're looking for something sweet, try making a chocolate avocado mousse. Simply blend together avocado, cocoa powder, and a sweetener like maple syrup or honey. This dessert is not only delicious but also a great source of healthy fats and protein. By incorporating high-protein plants into your meals, you can enjoy a well-balanced and nutritious diet without relying on expensive animal-based protein sources. So get creative in the kitchen and try out some new recipes featuring these nutritious plants.